Ladies and gents of the YouTubes, welcome back. And if you happen to be new, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. So, today's video, the spring cleaning theme is continuing. And today's actually my day off. So, I got to play with my old truck a little bit. I'm going to be doing some more work to that real soon. Probably do some videos. And got out Lil Red because in my last video, I said how I wanted to clean up. I'm going to sell some of my stuff to make room for new stuff. Well, a local dude who's super cool, he actually bought a 3-wheeler and a 4-wheeler off of me last year, some old Hondas. Hit me up about my 185. And in my last video, I was saying, yeah, I got to get all this stuff cleaned up, blah, blah, blah. The 185 is just a parts bike, and I think he is restoring one, so he wants it just for parts. So he hit me up and said, hey, dude, you want to sell that? And I was like, hell yeah. So we made a deal, and of course, I was like, by the way, would you be interested in the 200X? Because he loves old Hondas just like me, and the 200X, I don't have time to get to. It's been on the back burner as far as if I should part it out, if I should fix it. The engine is locked up, and it locked up early in life because this thing is super original, like down to the tires. So they're all rotted, but they're original. But I was going to part it out because there's a ton of good OEM, good condition parts on it. That was the plan, at least. Anyways, long story short, I ended up selling him that one as well. So 2 parts bikes for basically the price of one. But I appreciate, the old repeat customers and all that good stuff. And I know they're going to a good home, and that always makes me feel good. So we need to dig these things out and load them up so we could take them into the shop tomorrow. Today's actually my day off, but no real days off. Let's fire up old Lil Red here, and we're gonna put old Lil Red to work today. Oh. Should probably turn the gas on. Yeah, it helps when you turn the gas on. Old Little Red just putting in the work, boys. She's putting in the work. Can't beat the old 110. So, believe it or not, there is method to the madness. I'll bring over the old dirty diesel and back her up against here, my little loading zone. It doesn't look like it, but it fits perfect. Oh my goodness. Would you just look at how good old Blue looks. Gave her a little bath. Got to do the starter on it. Having some starter issues, but can't wait to start driving that thing again. taking a little drive through the yard. One of my favorite things to do. Oh yeah, you don't want to hit those big. They don't have much give. Just spin them if you got them, boys. Spin them if you got them. Oh yeah. Snug as a bug in a rug. And yeah, we got the good old tailgate mod as well. The tailgate got jacked up. Yeah, so how about that? Huh? Not too bad. We'll get this turkey up there. You know, it's just so amazing how much better these things tow when they have air in them. Yeah, that 200 sucks because the tires are flat, but the old 185, she tows just, you know, real good. Real good. Well, don't get too crazy out in the road. Won't break any laws. There you go. All right, guys, what do you guys think, huh? You think the load's secure? I think we're gonna be just fine here. So, after a little, you know, couple cuss words and whatnot, got her in there. 200X, 185S. So, yeah, and we'll just do that so she doesn't bend too much there. And if you guys are curious on why I'm getting rid of these two things, because I have an awesome project that I've had tucked away for like, I don't know, 6 months or so. And it is a 1985 250R chassis with a CR500 engine, ATC 250R, CR500 motor. It has a 200X front end on it, which is super weird. But it was cobbled together. I bought it a while back. The video is super popular, so if you missed it, go back and check it out. It's a fun one. But yeah, so that thing has been tucked away in storage, and I want to restore it slash, I don't know if you'd call it a restoration, like a resto mod, whatever. Let's not put titles on it, okay? But I want to make it badass, and I want to split the cases on the 500, replace the counter shaft, have my buddy CW from CW Racing port and polish the thing. We'll make it a screamer, and I have like an aluminum swing arm or a subframe for it and all that good stuff. So the money that I get from these is going to go into that project. All right, guys, the spring cleaning continues. My buddy is over, good old repeat customer. Check out that truck. That's a sick color. But yeah, he's gonna take the old 200 and the 185 off our hands. All right, dude. So what's your plans with these bad boys?
I have another 185, and I'm pretty much gonna take this motor out and take the other motor that I have, swap it in, and then I'm gonna see if I can get that cylinder unfrozen on the 200. And if not, I'll buy a new motor.
Right on. They do sell piston and cylinder kits too, for pretty cheap.
Yeah, like $300 or some shit.
Yeah. But I'm excited about this one because I think that this thing is a super nice machine and it's going to be badass when it's running.
Yeah.
And we're going to make, you know, one good 185 out of two 185s is better than no 185s.
I actually have 3 185s. So.
Hell yeah. A true hoarder.
Yeah.
A true hoarder, just like me. Boys, well, 2 3-wheelers will definitely fit in a little Yoda with some effort. Pretty badass. Look at this truck. Definitely will not get lost in a parking lot with this color. All right, guys, so super productive day here at the shop. Did some spring cleaning, got some work done, got the Supermoto done. As always, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you happen to be new. And we got a ton more cool projects coming up, so stay tuned.